It was absolutely brilliant, better than I thought it would be. Really, really enjoyed it, gotta be honest. Yeah, you got loads of different emotions, loads of loud noises. Definitely recommend coming.
It's very clever, it's amazing.
It's so cool.
It is really cool.
3 words would be that immersive, consuming, and weird.
Exciting, different, but good.
Sensory weirdness overload.
Yeah, that tracks.
It was great.
It was great. I would put creepy somewhere in there.
Yeah.
It's not like anything I've ever seen before. It's really hard to explain. It's really clever, but yeah, I'm a bit freaked out.
Wow, I can't believe I just witnessed this. Yeah. So you're still, even right now, you still process it. Like,
Yeah.
you're still shocked. But yeah, that's it.
Just watch Séance live in the Art Centre. Yeah, highly recommend it. One-off experience. You won't. I've been working here for 12 years and I've never seen a show like that. It was fantastic. Really, really immersive and scary. Test yourself.